All right, in this video, we're gonna go ahead and construct this circle here, and then we're gonna 3D this into a rod. Okay, this is the axle rod. The length will be 1.375 units, and because there is no units here, we're gonna go ahead and assume everything gonna be mmgs. So for that, we're gonna go to Tools, document setting, and then I'm gonna go to units here. I'm gonna set it to millimeter. I'm gonna set it to minute, and then grams. And then based on the information I just show you, there's 3 decimal place. We're gonna keep that. There's no angles. Everything else is gonna remain the same. Okay. Hit close. We're gonna go to sketch, start a circle on the YZ plane. I can start right here, and then the dimension of this circle is 0.188 units. Enter. I'm gonna double click to zoom in real quick, and then I can go 3D model here, extrude this, and I'll change the direction to the back, and that would be 1.375. Hit OK, and that is your rod based on the information that is given here. All right, we're gonna save that problem, and we're done with that axle rod.